Have you ever wondered how to keep the spark alive in a long-term relationship? Do you want to stay connected and nurture a lasting bond of love? If yes, we can show you how. Discover which activities can help you strengthen your relationship and keep the love alive in the long run. Escape for the weekend. A romantic weekend getaway is a wonderful way to disconnect from the busy routine of everyday life and focus on each other. Even a short trip, just a night or two away, can bring freshness to your relationship and reignite the spark. Whether you plan to travel far or stay close to home, the goal is to spend quality time together without distractions. You can plan a trip to a charming inn or a secluded cabin in the countryside. During your stay, try activities like hiking in nature, enjoying a quiet dinner, or simply relaxing by the fire. You could also explore local attractions, visit a nearby town, or enjoy a peaceful evening stargazing. These activities allow you to focus on each other, away from work and daily responsibilities. For example, you might book a cozy cabin in the mountains and spend the day hiking, followed by a homemade dinner and a movie night. Visiting a place like Lake Tahoe, where couples enjoy romantic dinners, outdoor adventures, and a peaceful atmosphere. It doesn't have to be expensive. Even a local escape can feel special and create lasting memories. Dine off the beaten path. Exploring new dining spots can add excitement to date nights and create memorable experiences. Instead of the usual routine, try choosing an acclaimed restaurant you haven't visited before and enjoy the thrill of discovering something new. You can take a short trip to a nearby city or town and spend the evening exploring local food scenes. For instance, you could try an authentic Thai or Ethiopian restaurant that serves dishes you've never tasted before. Or, you could find a quirky, lesser-known eatery in a nearby town, known for its creative menu or charming ambiance. The surprise element could be booking a stay at a nearby hotel to make the night even more special. The Roosevelt Hotel in New Orleans, where you enjoy a delicious dinner at a renowned local restaurant, followed by staying in a cozy hotel room. This simple change in routine can make your date feel fresh and exciting and create lasting memories. Explore the nearest state park. Spending time outdoors is a great way to reconnect with each other and take a break from everyday life. A trip to a nearby state park can be the perfect opportunity to enjoy nature and strengthen your bond. Pack a backpack with essentials and head out for a day or weekend adventure. Activities like hiking through the woods or stargazing at night can create shared experiences that bring you closer together. You can start your day with a peaceful hike along a scenic trail, taking in the fresh air and beautiful surroundings. Afterward, enjoy a picnic in a quiet spot where you can relax and chat. If you're up for it, camping under the stars is another fantastic way to spend time together. Set up a tent, enjoy a campfire, and share stories as the night sky fills with stars. Trip to Shenandoah National Park in Virginia offers the perfect blend of hiking trails, beautiful views, and opportunities for stargazing. After a hike along the Skyline Drive, you could set up a campsite and enjoy a simple dinner under the open sky. It's a refreshing way to enjoy each other's company and create lasting memories. Get active together. Getting active together is not only great for your health, but also helps strengthen your relationship. When you exercise or engage in outdoor activities with your partner, you both benefit from the physical and emotional connection that comes with it. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simple activities like taking a walk around the neighborhood, practicing yoga, or biking together can do wonders for both your body and your bond. A real-life example could be couples taking part in a charity walk or a 5K run, like the Run for a Cause event, where they support a good cause while staying fit and encouraging one another. The key is to have fun, enjoy each other's company, and stay active, all while improving your physical and emotional well-being together. Pick up a new hobby. Together. Starting a new hobby together can be a fun way to keep your relationship fresh and exciting. It's a great opportunity to explore shared interests and create new traditions that you can enjoy as a couple. You could pick a hobby that both of you will love, like learning to play a musical instrument, taking up photography, or even starting a small garden together. These activities can help you connect on a deeper level while learning something new. If you're not sure what hobby to choose, take turns exploring each other's individual interests. For example, One of you might enjoy scrapbooking while the other loves playing video games. You can both enjoy your hobbies in the same space, allowing each person to do what they love while still spending time together. Cook together. Cooking together is a fun and meaningful way to spend time with your partner. Not only do you get to enjoy a delicious meal, but it also gives you the chance to bond and work together in the kitchen. You can pick a recipe that excites both of you, whether it's trying a new dish or making an old favorite. Cooking together can be simple, like preparing a homemade pizza or making a dessert from scratch. Or it can be an adventurous challenge, such as trying a cuisine you've never made before. For example, you might decide to make a homemade pasta dinner. You can knead the dough together, roll it out, and cook it to perfection. You could even challenge each other to create unique toppings for your pizza or make fresh salsa. The key is to enjoy the process, laugh together, and focus on the quality time spent in the kitchen. Cooking is not only a way to nourish your body, but also to nourish your relationship. Redecorate your home. Redecorating your home is a great way to refresh your living space and enjoy some quality time together. It doesn't have to be a huge project. Just picking a room that could use a little improvement can make a big difference. You can start by choosing a color scheme, deciding on new furniture, or finding creative ways to organize and repurpose items you already have. Working together on a home project allows you to share ideas and see how you both contribute to creating a space that feels uniquely yours. Whether it's rearranging furniture in your living room or redecorating a bedroom with new bedding and accessories, the process brings you closer together as you collaborate. Redecorating your home also gives you the chance to reflect your personality as a couple, creating a cozy, inspiring environment where you can relax and enjoy your time together. Relax and unwind together. There are many ways to relax together, and it doesn't require anything fancy. You can enjoy quiet moments at home, where the focus is on being present with one another. For example, you can curl up on the couch and watch a movie or binge watch a favorite series. This simple activity allows you to enjoy each other's company without any distractions. You could also listen to a podcast or audiobook together, choosing something funny or motivational that you both enjoy. It's a great way to laugh together or discuss new ideas. Another way to relax is by sharing a calm activity like reading a book or taking a long bath together. You could even try a couple's massage to help each other relax after a long day. The goal is to unwind and enjoy each other's presence without the pressure of doing something active or productive. These quiet, simple moments can strengthen your bond and provide the space to relax and enjoy the comfort of being with each other. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your relationship strong and exciting. Stay tuned for more content that will help you nurture lasting love and create beautiful memories together. See you in the next video.